KP's Kingdom, cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to do apricot chicken in a tray bake version. It's a nice big meal, this one. Will feed the whole family easily. I've got around about a third of a cup of apricot juice from a can of apricots. Yes, we're just buying canned apricots. Around about a third of a cup of orange marmalade. That goes into a bowl. Give it a stir, get those two ingredients nicely combined, and then we can get on to our next step. To make apricot chicken, first thing we need is a chicken, of course. Buy the whole chicken. It's a lot less expensive than buying pieces already done. We're going to take off the Marylands, and what you want to try and do is find that joint. I do have a video on how to joint a chicken. Go back and watch that and subscribe at the same time. So I'm taking off both Marylands, and I'm going to cut off both breasts, but I'm going to leave the majority of the carcass because I can use that for a really cool chicken stock. Again, another one of the videos up on this channel. So just take the breast off either side of that piece of cartilage that runs down the center of the chicken. There is our carcass that I'm going to put into the refrigerator and use it the next day. Alright, we've got all our pieces of chicken ready to go. I've got a oven tray here lined with a little bit of baking paper. It's just to save on a bit of cleanup at the end. So I'm going to put in around about a third of a Kent pumpkin. That goes in, and about 4 potatoes cut into wedges. A little bit of olive oil straight over the top, just like that. And that's going to give this an amazing flavour. All we need to do is give that a good seasoning with a bit of salt. I am just using a table salt. You can use whatever salt you like. Again, if you've been watching this channel, I do use different types of salts. Give that all a good turn around and make sure everything's covered with a bit of salt and a bit of that olive oil, just like I'm doing there. And we need to make room for the chicken. So all we have to do now is, first of all, hold the chicken. I'm going to put that straight into the marinade, just like that. And I'm going to let that sit for maybe 15, maybe 20 minutes. Just give those a bit of a stir through. And it doesn't really need to marinate. This is going to work more as a sauce and a cooking liquid. And the sweetness of the apricot juice and the marmalade is really going to change the way your potatoes and the pumpkin actually taste. It is so good. Range your chicken pieces straight into the pan like that. If you need to move your vegetables around a little bit, do so. Pour all of that beautiful sauce and marinade that we've just made straight over the top like that. My oven's sitting at 180 degrees Celsius, ready to go. Now I'm going to add in a few pieces of these canned apricots. They're already cut in half, absolutely perfect, and these are going to cook down and release even more of their juice into our beautiful meal. Okay, I think we're looking pretty good here. All we have to do now, put that into the oven around about 40 minutes to 1 hour until you get an internal temperature of around about 74 degrees centigrade, sorry. Now, just before the end, around about 8 to 10 minutes before, I'm just going to throw in a handful or so of frozen green beans straight over the top. I'm now going to add a little bit of black pepper, freshly ground of course, straight over there. And all we need to do is put that back in the oven and finish cooking it off until everything is done. Before you know it, there you go. You've got KP's apricot chicken tray bake. Love to see you try and make this one at home. It is so easy and simple and very little cleanup. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. Gives me confidence. Should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. More importantly, you want to learn how to make complicated, easy, interesting, inventive, whatever recipes that I do. We need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. Off to this amazing apricot chicken tray bake, and I will catch you next time. Bye!